Hi guys, it's Marianne, and I hope your week is starting out well. So, anyways, week 6 is now open, and this is Cemetery Project Week. So, I do have another week 6 checklist. So, everything that you need to do and the time that you need to do is on here. The cemetery project, though, I would highly look at it today because you're going to have to make a checklist of smaller tasks to do to complete this. So this is going to have to be done over a series of days. And part of that is emailing a funeral home representative, and you want to get that email out right away because they are going to have some time to, they're going to need some time to reply, and you will need to, the completion of your cemetery project is dependent upon them replying to you. So please move forward on that. There's a video about that cemetery project so that you know what's going on. So anyways, there's the checklist cemetery project. Here's the rubric and the video explanation. The video is like 6 minutes. It will be posted to the discussion board, and it is due next Sunday at 11:59 p.m. This is just a synthesis video about synthesizing. And this is the discussion board. Tessie McMillan Cotton, she talks about, well, you know what, I'll just let you figure it out. So she watches her mom do stuff, and then she learns, she wonders why she does all that. So you'll see what that's all about. The first post is Friday, and then please reply to 2 peers by Sunday. Feedback evaluation assignment is for you to go back to your article reflections and make a list of strengths and then, well, columns of strengths and columns of weaknesses, and then come to a conclusion about where you are to move forward from here in your writing. Like, I made a ton of comments on your article reflections. I always say what you do right and always say how you can improve. And then if you put all those thoughts together, you'll come to see some patterns and where are you going to go with that information. So 2 paragraphs are needed, and it's further explained here. Plagiarism unit, you go to this website and then you follow the links one after the other, and then it will take about an hour, and then you finally do this quiz at the end, and all you have to do is upload a PDF or a screenshot. As always, practice your writing terms and practice your comma usage. And that is about it, you guys. I hope you have a great day.